In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map 1099 accounts in QuickBooks. To get started, open QuickBooks and look over to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Expenses. This is where you'll find tools related to vendors, payments, and of course 1099 management. Once you're inside the expenses area, select 1099s. This section is designed to help you organize the information needed for contractor tax reporting and gives you a central place to review everything connected to your 1099 workflow. When the 1099 section opens, you'll see an e-file tab. This is the area where QuickBooks lets you move forward with filing. Depending on your setup, you may have the option to try auto-filled forms, which can save time by using the information already available in your company file. You may also choose to prepare the forms yourself directly through QuickBooks. This is useful if you want to review details more carefully before submitting anything. The main idea here is that the e-file tab is where the filing process begins and where QuickBooks helps streamline the work. Next, click on the Recipients and W-9s tab. This tab allows you to view the list of contractors and vendors in your records who meet the IRS criteria to receive a 1099. It's an important place to review because it helps confirm that the right people are being included before you file. If you're checking your setup, this screen can give you a quick overview of who is currently recognized as eligible based on the information in QuickBooks. It's a good idea to carefully look through this list so you can catch anything that may need attention before moving ahead. After that, take a look at the Completed Forms section. This is where your 1099 e-filings will appear once they've been prepared and submitted. If you ever need to confirm whether a form has already been filed, this is the place to check. It gives you a simple way to keep track of your completed filings without needing to search through other parts of the system. And that's it. As you can see, QuickBooks keeps the 1099 process organized by placing everything in one area, from preparing forms to reviewing recipients and checking completed filings. If you follow these tabs in order, it becomes much easier to stay on top of your 1099 tasks and make sure your records are in good shape.